Facebook 360 view, where you upload from your DJI Mini 4 Pro. You set the settings for the sphere mode in the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I think you can probably do it on Panorama Atom too, but you have to transfer it via the DJI Mini 4 Pro DJI app, Fly app, and then you upload it to your Google Photos. That's Google Photos, because it takes the metadata and then it allows it to build the data required in Facebook, where you get the nice 360 view and you can turn it around and you'll see the full view. And that's the sphere mode. So we're going to take Swiper up and we're going to do a sphere mode, and I'll take you through the settings and how we get to that on the screen. And then I'm going to go back and we're going to do a production of the sphere metadata, upload it to Google Photos, because that holds metadata from your DJI photo storage, which you have to download from the app to your phone app, from the RC to the phone app. And then you upload it to Facebook, say, and you get that nice sort of like 360. So how do we do this? I've read something into it recently. So you have to kind of set your drone mode into sphere. So when it's up in the air, you can select the function of sphere. And let's do that now. How do we initiate the sphere mode? Well, basically you go into your settings, your controller settings, video settings, option settings here, menu, and then you swipe down and you see Pano, and you get your options down the side, and sphere mode is right at the top. So you've got other options there to select, but you select the sphere mode and how high, yeah, it should also sphere anyway. And if I go, so if you click go on the screen, once you selected sphere mode, it takes a number of images and it stitches them all together within the RC2 software. And then it just, that's when you transfer the data from your RC2 Fly app to your phone Fly app, so you've got to connect the two. And then in there, once the metadata is all available within your phone app, the DJI Fly app within the phone, you use the Google Photos, because that captures all the metadata. And then you use that to upload to Facebook, and then you should get the little symbol, the sort of 360 symbol, and you better play around and you can view all around you in a 360 mode, which is pretty nifty. I've never done this before. I have done the sphere mode before, but I haven't actually done that. So it's something good to test. So if you have stuck around for this video, we'd much appreciate it. So we turn on our RC2 for a DJI Mini 4 Pro or your alternative device. And we'll have the drone on as well, because we need to connect the SD card, and we have our mobile phone that we're going to use to go into the DJI Fly app, which is here. I'm just going to turn that around like so, and then you're going to see quick transfer. You click that and then you search for your particular 360 view, which has like a little globe at the bottom corner to let you know that's exactly what this 360 is. That's the image it takes, and it compiles it and knits it all together. And then you can literally click upload there. I mean, there is a download function, but it's not showing. So I can only assume, as I've done this already on my device, that it's remembered this particular image. So you can always click that to upload, select which way you want to upload it to, which app. Here we're going to go to Facebook, and here we're going to click. So now you're going to go to find, if you're lucky enough, you have your Facebook just sat there ready for you, or the application you're going to need. So we click Facebook, and we're going to put it into our feed there, and just make sure that's the right image. You should see, there we go, in the bottom right hand corner, there's the globe to confirm it is the 360, and you literally go post. I think it takes about a minute or so to build the metadata, upload it to Facebook or your desired app. I haven't tried any others, so if you do try those, let me know. And I'll speed this video up now so we can get to the actual image and you can see it on the screen. We can go to our Facebook app. So we can go to our Facebook and to see, has it worked? And there you go. It has worked, hasn't it? That's all you need to do. Thanks as always, much appreciated. the renter and swiper.